What is up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the dome light on a 2001 Lexus ES300. Should be the same for this generation, so about 97 to 2001, but pretty simple to do. All you're going to need is a little flathead screwdriver or some sort of a little pry tool. A plastic tool is better because you won't be nicking this up, but metal will work fine too. So you're going to go ahead, and there's a little space right here. You can see it's all nicked up. There's a little space here, and you're just gonna put your screwdriver there. You'll feel it go in. You're just gonna slowly pry it out, just like that. You can see there's that little space. It's a little nicked up, and then your bulb is just right here. You can't. Sometimes you can't really reach it, but if you can get your finger on it, pull it around. Pull the bulb to the side, and then try to kind of wedge it out like that. If you have to maybe pick it out, I guess you could do that too. I'll put the bulb part number in the description below. If you guys want to get LEDs, I'll put the bulb number for that as well. And once you get your new one, you should wear gloves when you do this because you're not supposed to really get the finger or the oil from your fingers on the bulb. But you're gonna see there's two little circles on each side. They hold that end of the bulb in, so you stick the bulb into one of them and then just go ahead and get your cover, and you're gonna see there's like a little prong here on the end that's gonna go in like that, and then this end clips in, and sometimes you have to kind of push it to get it really to clip in, but that's all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys want to see more, go ahead and give a like, and go ahead and subscribe, and we'll give you some more how-tos on the Lexuses. So hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you next time.